It's Happy Sunday. It's 11:04 in the morning and we are about to go to the grocery store.
2025.
Yay! Buy one get one free. Ito yung mga kaligayahan namin. Buy one get one free. Yung ketchup and then yung mustard. So we'll get two. Kung isa lang yung bibilhin mo, ano lang, 50% yung babayaran. So kuha kami ng cereal para sa ano, ito yung quick fix namin for breakfast. Tapos kumuha kami ng chicken fingers. Ito yung i-dinner namin mamaya. We got 10 pieces chicken fingers. Kumuha din kami ng orange juice and grapes. Buy one get one yung favorite snack ko. Rice Krispies treats. Yung favorite snack ni Ken. What flavor is this, my love? Yeah. Nutri-Grain bar na apple cinnamon flavor. Yeah. Okay. Catalina dressing para sa salad. Hindi ako makain ng salad, guys. Yung mga lettuce. Pero mahilig si Ken ng salad. So, rice is life. Dapat hindi maubusan ng rice sa bahay. Mayroon pa naman kami more than half na bag. But, ano, bili kami ngayon kasi magbabaon si Ken ng rice sa work. Okay. So, kumukuha din kami, guys, ng mga frozen dinners. Yung mabilisan lang na food sa bahay. Tapos, ito yung isa sa favorite ko, chicken alaking. And then, si Ken ay kumuha rin siya ng lasagna. Do you need fettuccine?
Yeah,
ito yung favorite namin ni Ken, yung fettuccine Alfredo nila. Okay. What? What?
They only have one more.
Okay. So, yan. Okay. So, bilang mahilig kami sa chocolate chip, guys. Kumuha kami nito. Cookie dough chocolate chip. So, ilalagay lang namin siya sa oven for 10 to 15 minutes. And then, mayroon na kaming chocolate chip cookie na fresh and warm. So, pauwi na kami ng bahay. It's now 12:09 ng tanghali. Magla-lunch kami tapos magnanap ng konti and then punta kami ng Botanical Gardens. Hi guys! So it's already 3:38 na ng hapon and we are on our way to the Botanical Gardens. Actually, plano namin umalis na 3 o'clock but then nakatulog kami guys. Nag-relax kasi kami medyo napasarap yung nap namin. So, okay lang. Kasi, at least nakapagpahinga. And, masyado pa din kasi mainit. So, hopefully, pagdating namin doon, hindi na masyadong mainit. And, medyo, it's a bit of a drive going there. So, enjoy lang namin yung drive papunta doon. And, the weather is very nice. So, perfect na perfect yung pagpunta namin doon. Actually, nakapag-vlog na ako dati. Doon kami nag-engagement shoot nung March. Tapos, wala pa masyadong, hindi pa masyado nag-bloom yung mga bulaklak. So, hopefully ngayon, maganda na. Marami ng flowers, tsaka, cherry blossom. See you guys there. Hello, papasok na kami. Here? Ang daming tao guys. Maraming nakapark. Yan. Ganda kasi ng panahon ngayon. And last week, medyo maulan. So, yung mga tao is gusto lang lumabas. Like us. Wow, ang ganda. So, ito yung entrance ng Botanical Garden. As you can see, maraming tao. Yung bulaklak ko. Wow. It's nice. Oh, it's so nice, my love. It's prettier now. Where do you want to go first?
Oh, like, kind of over there.
Okay. It is. Wait. Guys, lalakad. Meron kasing part dito na Japanese garden. So, let's see kung may cherry blossom. Sana meron. Medyo malayo na rin yung nilakad namin. But it feels nice. Parang wala nang cherry blossom, guys. But okay lang. Maganda naman yung scenery. Daming greens. Pagod kami, guys. Ang init. Pero okay lang. Nag-enjoy naman kami. And, sayang nga lang kasi walang cherry blossom. But, okay lang. Enjoy naman namin yung vlog. And, the weather's really nice. Sobrang init lang talaga. So, punta kami ni Ken sa meron kasi kami yung favorite na bookshop siya, tapos bookstore or bookshop? Bookstore pala. Pero meron din silang nagtitinda sila ng mga desserts and then coffee. And then favorite kasi namin yung chocolate chip cookie nila. So we'll see. Sana available. Dito na kami. Hi, my love. Sobrang lapit lang, mga 5-minute drive. So, yeah. Church, street, and coffee and books. Thank you. Yeah. Say,
May tayo.
lamig tayo. Very, very delicious.